This weekend, from August 1st to the 3rd, 2025, I had the incredible opportunity to attend the Greatest Gathering, held at Alstom's historic Litchurch Lane Site in Derby. This was a truly monumental event, featuring over 100 historic and modern locomotives and rolling stock from across the railway's past, present, and even the future, making it the largest gathering of its kind in a generation. As part of this massive celebration, there was also a dedicated model railway village, which was essentially a fantastic model railway exhibition nestled within an already huge event. In partnership with Quay Model World, it featured an amazing collection of model railway layouts, including Pete Waterman's impressive Making Tracks Free layout, and a brand new model of Derby Litchurch Lane Works. In this video, we're going to take a look at all the incredible layouts which were on display. Event videos like this are made possible by the patrons on Patreon and our channel members. If you're interested in supporting the production of future videos, head on over to my Patreon, the link is in the description. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos coming out regularly. I also have a video overview of the Greatest Gathering available on the channel. Making Tracks Free, a 00 gauge layout by Pete Waterman and the Rail Nuts. This impressive 64-foot long 4mm scale layout recreates Milton Keynes Central Railway Station as it appeared between 2006 and 2023. It features intricate bi-directional running, full overhead catenary with tensioned wires allowing pantographs to touch them, and incredible custom-made buildings, including the station's distinctive mirror-glazed structures. Operated by DCC, the layout showcases a dynamic array of modern image rolling stock and the ability to perform realistic operational maneuvers, such as one train overtaking another on the bi-directional lines.
I said, that is impressive.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the wire's not the right one.
Yeah. I think the sounds that you're getting now, the sound chips are so good.
This is the station that I go to, this one.
Table is in action. Don't miss it.
the blue tablets, which is consistently well done.
Does it run itself? It's not really a problem.
Some of the trains are like managed like people. Some of them are on like a system that just sends trains out, which is why they're all triple branch.
That means the
Trains are hanging.
12 Trees Junction by Quay Model World, this 00 gauge layout is a popular Southern region themed model set in the British Railway era, specifically between 1955 and 1965. It features a busy double junction at its centre with a 4-track main line approaching from London that reduces to 2 lines, splitting into station tracks and bypass lines. The layout also includes detailed carriage sidings with a storage shed and an urban backdrop created with a combination of scratch-built, laser-cut and cast buildings, including a prominent skew bridge. Operated entirely by DCC using Gaugemaster Prodigy system, the layout offers complex movements with a diverse fleet of steam, diesel and EMUs, many of which are sound-fitted. Points are controlled again by DCC, ensuring smooth operation across its Pico Code 75 trackwork.
For electrification, so those running up and down to London from the hunters. You could hear them all over. You hear them all over town, especially at night.
Yeah, it can be. Yeah, it can be.
But in this speed, it's a circus.
The other one, because I'm going to put another unit in there to bring it across.
That's fine. I'll just get rid of the 73 now. So.
Once this is out of the way, then I'll bring it round.
Right. Well, that just goes round and round slowly.
Yeah, so once that's gone, I'll bring this out. No problem.
At midday in the Mobility Theatre, come and meet Tom Cairns, founder of Real-Time Trains. Tom will talk about launching his popular website while still at university and how his platform has helped revolutionise experiences for passengers.
Deadmans Lane is a 00 gauge layout by Mick Bryan. This popular exhibition layout is set in a contemporary period based on Network Rail's Derby base, and specifically designed to showcase an extensive fleet of infrastructure monitoring trains. Inspired by the striking yellow new measurement train, the layout provides a home for a colourful selection of Britain's test trains and modern railway infrastructure. It functions as both a shunting yard and a through line for services, with a continuous loop allowing for the running of long trains. Key scenic elements include detailed replicas of the real buildings, creating a realistic industrial backdrop. The layout showcases a diverse range of locomotives and rolling stock, reflecting actual sightings around the Derby area.
paper. I mean, not long time ago.
What is it, everybody to agree with that. You need people to make it happen, don't you? And I think that's the brutal reality with some businesses to go from feelings to really a business plan. And it's not work. It depends on, I think you want to have an enthusiasm,
rolling stock display and more. Have the greatest day.
People who remember steam engines finally dying off and giving you their money when they're originally left. This is it. They say, oh, we'll paint it in VR black because that's what the PT country Steve Gardner's remember. You say, see if I can catch him. I need some lunch apart from my house. Oh, here you go. You down the middle. Oh, no. Because something occurred to me but also this SS calculator, it's all well and good, but it takes about 2 days for you to have to get out here. You're not trying to really think about what you need. So I've been sorting about. And the microelectronics drivers you can buy for £6. This is it, because I think this is important is that it's feeding its time, so it's very
I just think they're really entertaining.
Harefield Road is a 00 gauge layout by Eric French. This 8-foot-long scenic layout is inspired by the London Underground Central Line, specifically the site of a planned station at Harefield, where the Chiltern Main Line passes under the Harefield Road Bridge. While functional, the scenery draws inspiration from various real-world London Underground locations, such as buildings at Harrow-on-the-Hill and the South Harrow sidings. The layout features a fantastic collection of London Underground rolling stock, many of which have been upgraded with lighting functions, bringing the vibrant underground network to life in miniature. For more amazing modelling and a deeper dive into this layout, be sure to check out Eric's YouTube channel, also known as Underground Eric.
T-Rex.
On the hoppers. One jumped off the video as well. Is it one of the white ones?
Yes. They're just divided.
to remember the brake buttons.
Yeah.
Not used to it. Oh, there's one here.
Sorry, don't worry. I'm still not used to it.
Try it.
Burlish Road, a 7mm scale O-gauge layout by Harry Bradley. This fictitious station is set on the Severn Valley Railway just outside Mount Pleasant Tunnel. The layout prioritises operating with the layout in its 1950s British Railway guise, featuring locally based engines and Severn Valley Railway locomotives in period liveries. This layout has been exhibited since 2019 and even won a Best in Show award.
Tony, you stay around the back, just drive stuff through, please.
Where the pumps are.
No, it was loose, somebody's had it off. Alright.
She's quite
Daddy,
nice
do you
to
want a
see.
big tender?
Nothing might be with a handbook on there.
No choice, they're tricky to...
They're like the two wagons going over.
Control points and signals on there as well.
So you are fully interlocked as well?
No. We've had multiple head-on collisions. We just make it look like we know what we're doing.
Heanor South is a double O-gauge layout by the Ilkeston Model Railway Club. The layout represents a real Great Northern branch line terminus that originally operated in 1891. The model portrays the line as if it had survived intact into the British Railway era, showcasing its intended, though never completed extension. Extensive research was undertaken to accurately model the line, with some compression applied to the layout to allow for the inclusion of various historical features.
Yeah, it's not going to come off halfway down the line. Stuff it back on there, you know, you've got to press it in.
I don't mess with people's
Either side.
Five Mile House is a double O-gauge layout by Lincoln Model Railway Society. This layout is based on a long-forgotten rural station on the Lincolnshire Loop line in the 1930s. It features two timber-built staggered platforms and a goods yard, accurately replicating the historical setting. The layout includes working somersault signals and point rodding, adding a noticeable level of visual detail. The scenic elements, such as the River Witham, are brought to life with realistic water effects and static grass, creating a convincing rural atmosphere. Operated using DCC for locomotives and analog panels for points and signals, the layout allows for a diverse running schedule and includes non-stop passenger trains, heavy goods trains, and intricate shunting sequences, showcasing a wide range of linear steam locomotives and rolling stock. Collingwood is a double-O gauge layout by Simon Paley. This popular exhibition layout is set in the 2010s, portraying the privatisation era on the West Coast Way route. It aims to reflect the modern-day railway and how it operates, featuring a busy main line with a station, aggregate terminal, and a working level crossing. The layout showcases a wide variety of contemporary trains and liveries, with operations controlled by DCC. This allows for realistic signalling and train movement, bringing the modern Southern Region Railway to life.
Most of what they want is on the road. You only stop the train. You only stop the train on the flat.
Just a little train left. Hit the ball.
I mean, the windows going in this direction appear to be
Well, the trouble is, when they start that, they just put anything and everything.
Yeah.
And now they've decided that after that, they're looking at
So no, I think you've got to be the Yellowstone trucks or the tank.
Canute Quay Road is a double-O gauge layout by Gray and Muspratt. This compact layout, measuring about 5 feet by 1, is set in Southampton Docks area during the Southern Railway era, specifically between 1946 and 49. Inspired by the various wharves and quays along the River Itchen, the layout features a quayside without actual water, maximising space for its shunting puzzle track plan, which is an adaptation of the Time Saver, with added operational interest. It includes a semi-relief single-road engine shed and a mix of modified resin and modular laser-cut buildings to create a bustling dockside scene. Operated using analog control, the layout focuses on realistic shunting movements with a fleet of Southern Railway locomotives like the USA tanks and Adams B4 tanks, along with a variety of wagons, all brought to life with subtle background ambient sounds.
No, so these are, so my other layout.
St John's is a Great Western Railway branch line terminus in double-O gauge by modeller Paul Warden. Set in a charming South Devon harbour town, this layout beautifully captures the summer Saturdays of the 1930s and 60s. The layout holds a deeply personal meaning, as Paul built it in memory of his late father, John Warden, a fellow enthusiast. He even incorporated items from his father's previous layouts, making it a truly special and heartfelt tribute. Welby Lane, RTC, is a double-O gauge layout by Mark Pearson. This fantastic model is a recreation of a railway test track inspired by real locations like Old Dalby and Mickleover. Set between 1970 and 1995, it serves as a home for experimental and test trains, showcasing railway development and unique rolling stock. The layout features a main servicing and scrapyard area, and even a working magnetic levitation vehicle. It also includes a section of overhead electrification for testing electric locomotives. Operated using DCC, the layout is filled with a diverse and often unusual fleet of converted and scratch-built trains, bringing a unique aspect of the railway operations to life.
It's got a lot of it down, hasn't it? Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's got a good to it. Brilliant to deliver. There we are.
Gauge 1 live steam layout by the Gauge 1 Association was an impressive layout that featured electric and live steam locomotives in action, showcasing a variety of models from association members. It provided a fantastic opportunity to see the larger scale models operating with live steam locomotives, adding a truly authentic and captivating element to the display. Famous Trains Model Railway was present with 3 distinct layouts: Croft Mills, a double-O gauge branch line terminus; Peaky Bluff, a narrow gauge 009 layout. The Famous Trains Model Railway is the vision of 3 retired senior railway engineers who wanted to give back to the Derby community something of the fun that they had working on the real railway. This project aims to provide education, training and entertainment to a large community in Derby and the surrounding area through a large model railway that is open to the public in a very popular park. And of course, no model railway show is complete without traders, and the greatest gathering had all the biggest names in the industry in attendance, including Accurascale, Bachmann, Cavalex Models, Cheltenham Model Centre, Ellis Clark's Trains, Footplate Models, Hellion, Hornby, Heanor Model Railway Centre, Quay Model World, Malks Models, Moor Lane Models, Rails of Sheffield, and Revolution Trains. It was an amazing event. If you want to see an overview of the main event, I also have a video going over the greatest gathering available on the channel. I sincerely hope that you've enjoyed this look at the model railway village from the greatest gathering. As always, if you want to keep up to date with model railway exhibitions and railway videos in general, please subscribe to the channel and do check out my other videos. And if you have any questions about the layouts or traders, please leave a comment below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hola!